of all, I thanks Indrajit sir for giving me this opportunity. And I have written a book. The title is Undergraduate Stories, in which love is a strike through. So first of all, I want to present a book to Raj Dahalvi sir. So I want to call him on the stage. Yeah, and now Indu ma'am, like we call Indu ma'am.
Thank you.
I'll talk about my book today. I'll start from the cover page. So as you can see, it's undergraduate, love strike through, and there is a story. So whenever I gifted my copy of a book to anyone, he said that he or she used to say that why you have strike through love. So my idea is that this book encapsulates all the stories which we lived in undergraduate days. So my idea is that whatever we have considered like this is a love for us in undergraduate. I mean, जब भी कभी लगता है कि हमें प्यार हो रहा है, तो at the end of 3 years it only remains with us as a stories only. ठीक है? वो उनका existence जो है कि सब अपने लोग अपने रास्ते पे चले जाते हैं. So we are the one carrying story with ourselves. So yeah. So Morewad में I have written that why I wrote this book.
Shashank, contributed in 3 minutes.
Yeah, sure. So yeah. So it is a collection of 21 short stories, and it is divided into 3 parts: initials, advances, and grown-ups. So initials correspond to first year, advances second year, and grown-ups third year. So it can be categorized the Bildungsroman, which represents the psychological growth of narrator from first to third year, and the sequence of stories increases, like 6 in first, 7 in second, and last 8. So it shows that it shows the growth of maturity in an individual. So I'll not take much of your time. I'll read some of my excerpts from my book. So yeah, so each of the sections, as I said, that it has been divided into 3 parts. Each of the sections starts with a quote of mine, which we can situate in those stories as well. So इसी के लिखे हुए अफसाने कभी पढ़कर सोचता हूँ कि गहराई ज्यादा इस लेख में है या इस लिखने वाले में. So yeah. I have a time constraint, so I will read out the important point only. So yeah. So in Coincidences, there is a story in which conversation is going on between a girl and boy, and they are trying to know each other. Then the boy asks the girl that why do you write, and then the girl asks the same question. So here is the reply in form of couplets, you can say. So yeah. तो पहले लड़की ने पूछा तो लड़का ने बोला, लिखता मैं कल भी था, लिखता मैं आज भी हूँ, फर्क बस इतना है कि कल उन्हें लिखता था और आज खुद को लिखता हूँ. So then the girl replies, यूं तो लिखती हूँ पर पहले जैसा नहीं लिखती. पहले लिखती थी तुमको तो दिल लगता था, अब दिल बहलाने के लिए लिखती थी. And then we jump to the next section, which is advances, and in advances it starts with a quote. कायनात में हम दोनों के चर्चे तेज हो चले, कहना मुश्किल है मशहूर कौन किसकी वजह से हुआ.
मशहूर या बदनाम?
And the book has also been infused with variety of natural description. So I'll read a few lines of that. Some droplets of water, irregular in shapes, looking like pearls of silver, perched on shrubs and herbs. Around it whirl some bees, singing the union of 2 divine bodies coalescing together to form a single soul. स्ट्रेंजर से मिलते हैं, किसी से तो बातचीत होती है, दोस्त बनते हैं, और 3 साल के बाद फिर हम एक स्ट्रेंजर के रूप में तब्दील हो जाते हैं. तो उसी को ट्राई मैंने किया है कि कुछ शब्दों में मैं बयां करूं. तो ये है. For some more time or a few more moments to understand each other better, without realizing, one day all would be lost, turning you and me from where we began, a stranger perhaps. So I do not have much time, so I'll jump to the last section of the book. So there is an epilogue. I have provided the epilogue in which, like, we can say that hi and bye are two difficult things to say. In between lies the stories. Okay. So the last part is so होता क्या है कि जब हम अंडर पीरियड में होते हैं तो कभी कभार कुछ चीजें हमारे समय में कहा बदनाम हो जाते हैं तो हम डिप्रेशन में चले जाते हैं कभी कभी। तो
Please jump straight into the poem.
Yeah,
I'm so sorry to
this is the last section.
jump straight into
So
the poem.
this is the last section. This is a say hi to better life. This is a commentary on how to lead a better life. So it will help us to like to grow into a different individual, to come out of all the depressions we have been into. So this is about my book. I could not read most of the part of it due to time constraints. So do buy. I'll share the link to.